Do you belong?
Not exactly faction, but then we are from the Sioux groups.
Sioux groups.
UPF.
UPF, no?
UPF?
The same team.
Same thing.
United People Front.
He
Okay.
just came to be busy, invited us, no? Because he came from Delhi. He said, please come and meet us.
Okay. You are from the UPF and
ngasi aikogi stand Manipur asigi loishin manai rob chei ani rom fazilaklaba irang asibu loishin nabagi damaktani haidun hauji asi president rule gi manung asida numit tare ni gi manung da khulai thin gana rabagi damakta governor gi maikei de gi warning pikraba matung da chief secretary gi maikei de gi khulai bu pikat ki hairadi no moda su pikat pi ai aduna aikoina piri ba numit tare ni gi matam asi aduki matik yamna sanglabani suksoi soidena kusu khulai sing asi lokholani haibagi warning piduna Karigumba surrender Toruk Pataragana, Nintijana Lokatkani, surrender Toruk Tragana, Namfood Adamak Laugani Haiduna, Yamna, clear in a Fondo Cray, Masium Lobomata Masida. Senapatida Kuki suspension of operation the Ladyba, UPF Haidiba group Asigi, Kuki Kulai Pipe militant group sing Asi, Assam rifles singing my Kadi escort Doduna Pora Ambag, Tengnabagi Oiba Todo Amatorically.
okay. Without further delay, na, I just want to make it very blunt, very straight. Which faction do you belong in the first place? You just let us know. Please don't let us take the extreme step. Just let us know what faction you belong, what rank or what position you hold, and that will be fine.
I think you're from IM.
Hello? No, I'm not from IM.
We are not a military.
We are not a militant, we're not a militia, but we'll reveal our identity for sure. We'll be honest enough with that.
No problem.
Okay, so which faction do you belong?
Not exactly faction, but then we are from the Sioux groups.
Sioux groups.
UPF.
UPF, no?
UPF?
The same team.
Same thing.
United People Front.
He
Okay.
just came to be busy, invited us, no? Because he came from Delhi. He said, please come and meet us.
Okay. You are from the UPF and may I know you are in the military wings or in the civil wings? Civil wings. Okay. And what portfolio are you holding? Okay, so you're the commander in the squad or you're the highest post? You're in the media wings. And he's just your driver or he's also holding some rank and file?
He's driver.
And the person behind?
My assistant.
Your assistant?
Can you please just on the lead ones because I'm just wondering who is behind.
Okay. So your good name is? Aaron from UPF, United People's Front.
Can you please show us your Aadhaar card? Is there Aadhaar card?
Taudo asigi matangda Manipur hairiba state asigi border ngaknabagi damakta lairiba Assam rifle hairiba paramilitary forcing asigi maikei matau karam tauduna aduki matik yamna matam chadaba matam amakhakta suspension of operation da lairiba militant group amabu makoina group amagi kedar pu makoina escort tauduna puriba no haiba wang asi hangduna senapati gi oina lairiba mafam asida laijariba peace and harmony asibu thugaiduna atopa kangbu singa mistress poraknabagi damakta honaribra Assam rifle gi mathakta investigation taunabagi damakta wafam sing phungdorakli.
That incident happened on the early hour of 22nd February 2025 at Senauti district, whereby Senauti district student association happens to come across Assam rifle and militant walking hand in glove in our district. While condemning such act, we wish to question the unwarranted escort of the militant by the Assam rifle in the wing R, in spite Senauti being a relatively peaceful district, given the unfortunate tremor in the state. Senauti district student association questioned the intention of the Assam rifle, whether they want to bring mistrust and confusion among the peace-loving citizens of the district and other neighboring communities. Senauti District Student Association questioned the intention of DG Assam Rifle, calling top Kuki militants leader for top in this challenging time in our district.
Hauji Manipur hairiba state asi CM resign tawkiduna sarkar kaikraba matungda anauba lenga ama sema ngamdana leibidagi suspended animation thamjinduna president rule thamjinduna aujiki leiriba irang asi loishingani haiduna yamna kanma khongthangsing lokalibani governor oiriba Ajay Bala gi maikeidagi secretary ta famduna lamdam asigi oina leiriba thabak thorong sing asi senaba hokraba matungda numit tare nigi matam piduna khulaising pikhalataba taragadi akanba thabaksin lawkhalakani haiba phongdoktuna yamna kana phaba punbagi oiba thabak thawngsing asi hena kankhalaklibani phaba punbagi oiba thawngsing asida su tampaktadi nongma kangdana aduki matik yamna masing yamna faraga chingi oiba mafamsingdadi thoidokna fade haibagi oiba prajasingi wafum kayam phongdoknaribani Hauzik tampaki mafum kaya amada phaba punbagi oiba thabak asi ka hena kanna changsilakpa miyoi kaya ama phaba punbagi thabak asi lepa leituna chatarakliba asida public ki oiba yamna chawba protest amasu laklibani Hauzik ki oina leiriba issue asida tampaki mafum singdagi arm lokhatpa asi kariguma leiriba lengaki maikeidigi guarantee oina amuk hana maitei hairiba kangbusing asida attack chata halaklaroi natragana state asigi oiba integrity amasung administration gi oiba integrity territorial integrity kudingma asi kahalo haiduna guarantee piba taragadi aikoi na isana adumak surrender tawgani haiba wafam adumak phongdoknaribani masigumloba protest kayasing asigi marakta chief secretary gi maikei gi khulai asi namfuda adumak lauragani haibagi oiba wafam adu phongdoklibani
I think 7 days are good enough. I mean, if you have a weapon, one day also you can return it. We have given you 7 days.
If not returned in 7 days, what will we do?
Then we'll go and take it from them. In fact, we have to work on multiple fronts. Number one is that, yes, there has to be peace, there has to be normalcy. So, weapon, of course, we can't leave outside in public and, private hands. That is a very dangerous situation. So, first, we have to get the weapons back to the court. So, yes, why not? I mean, a weapon which is there with somebody who is not authorized to use it, it's a dangerous situation. So, the sooner we do it, the more peacefully we do it. It's a requirement. And weapons from everybody. I mean, looted weapons or any other weapon which is there, it poses a threat to society. So, I mean, first and foremost, we do that. Open the highways, bring in normalcy, have some kind of confidence building on both sides. Let people understand the problems. I mean, everybody knows it. Everybody wants it to be over. There is a lot of hope in the society also. Whomsoever I have met, everybody says that yes, it is time now to change. It is time now to bring in peace. I cannot tell you an exact date, but there is a lot of work going on that. We'll try and find out where they are and take it.
Hauzik asi president rulgi banung asida state asigi governor oina head oina hauzik chalairiba asigi maikeidagi Kangpokpi amasung Churachandpur kumba mafam kaya amada chatuna civil society gi organization kaya ama unaduna thokliba irang asi losinabagidamakta wari watai kaya ama sanari chief secretary ki maikeidagi su khulaising lokhatkani national highway hangdokani relief camp da leiriba miyusing asi masa masagi mayumda atuba matamda hanjingangani haiba wafum kaya ama phongdaktuna hauji asi yamna kanna khulaising lokhatbagi oiba thabak thongsing chatharibani masigumlaba matam asida public ki oiba hauji asi irang se loisindri guarantee piyo haiduna yamna chawa resistance ama leidingagi matam asida Assam rifle gi maiki degi Manipuri gi oiba maru oiba military ki oiba border secure tawnaba amasung atopa thabak thong kaya ama pairiba Kangmusing asigi maiki degi UPAP oina suspension of operation gi manung channa leiba hauji hauji Manipur gi oina thokliba irang asida maru oina yawe haiduna miwi kya gi civil society gi Kangbu kya gi maiki degi hanjin phongdoktuna leiriba kedar sing asibu puduna Delhi na kaur e haibagi wafam da puduna chalamliba asina peace thagatnabagi damaktani haiduna chatharikliba khongthang asi kayamuk yamna mai pakpa ngamgadawribagi haibo hang asini masigumlaba khongthang asina maram oiduna hanadagi hauna amaga thajanaba ngamdana leiriba fibam asida peace porakani haiduna hotnariba thaudang asida praja singgi maikeidigi thajaba ngamdanabagi oiba achaubo maram amasu piribani